Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will be getting JavaScript tutorials. Today we are going to learn about JavaScript array method which is called reduce method. This reduce method is a method which reduces an array and return a single value. And that value should be string, object, number, array or anything. Reduce method takes three parameters. The first one is the accumulator, which stores the result as you keep looping through an array, and the second one is the current value, which holds the current item of the array. The third one is initial value, which holds the starting value of the accumulator. We could ask yourself, where can I apply the reduce method? You can apply it when you want to return the total or average of numbers, when you want to want the occurrences of an element or anything in an object, and you can use it when to flatten an array. Then also when you want to convert an array into object. So here is how we can convert an array into object. Means that based on the laws we are going to return this array into object. Means that we are going to implement uh, this loop, this reduce method, which will loop through our array, then implement the logic we want. Means that it will return the array based on the law. Here it takes the accumulator, then user, and also this is the initial value as I explained earlier. Then the current value, which is user, we have now allow name and also age. Then afterward we are going to implement this logic for checking if for our accumulator, if it already have a law. If the law already exists, it will increment. If it doesn't exist, it will create it. Means that here we need to assign it to an object. Then this object, we need to return the total users, then total age, name. It will be held in array. Then we need also to calculate the average of user's age. Then after we will take our accumulator law. Means if it's admin, if it's user, if it is guest, then return the total age of user. Here we will keep incrementing if the uh, age of the users are more than one, and here we could also return total users. Here it will increment by one whenever it sees that for that lore the has already having a user. So we need also to get their names. We push that transform an array and return the new array. We'll get those names. Not only that, we can also calculate the average age of users if we have users, or only keep the age of single user we have. So to calculate it, we'll be having total age if default two users, then divide with total users, means that if we have two users, we'll get then return our accumulator object of here with the those data. So then after we will console our results. Then once we run our code, we will get after 5 iterations of our reduce method, we get that we got for admin node to users age this name are some cherry, then average age are this, also user for this lore, and for this guest lore we can get that we have total users one, total ages, what and what and this is much of how you can use um, reduce method. You can try other ways, but keep watching this YouTube channel, you'll get more and more. Thank you for watching this